Today, we'd like to introduce you to the HAZET Bristle Grinder Pack 9033-11/17 and show you the tasks it's designed to handle. This grinder is designed to be easy to use, yet delivers up to 15,000 RPM from 224 watts of power. This pack also includes a Roloc adapter with a diameter of 50mm that lets you quickly change discs as needed. The 9033-11/17 excels in its designed role to gently but effectively clean a huge range of surfaces. This pack includes a variety of special attachments, including an array of grinding media to remove rust, paint, adhesives or sealing residues. Bristle grinders are particularly well suited to gently cleaning sealed surfaces. The various grinder disc grain sizes are marked by their colour. The strip wheel is best suited to cleaning metal surfaces and weld seams. Thanks to their open structure, the coarse-grained wheels are very effective at removing large amounts of material. But these wheels won't become clogged with material, giving them a long use life. The 9033-11/17 Bristle Grinder set includes an array of flexible components that can handle a multitude of tasks. The set includes 4 harder purple-coloured strip wheels and 4 softer black wheels, as well as 2 grinder wheels, each in 2 different grain sizes. The entire set comes in a robust carry case that snugly fits each individual component. The various wheels are also available in sets as accessories in the HAZET range. Need an excellent cleaning and grinding tool for a range of surfaces? Look no further than the 9033-11/17 Bristle Grinder set by HAZET.